Hello again, my friends. All right, let's get to it. And okay, the next part is clip plane. That if you click on it, yes, we have a plane, as you can see, that it is used in coding, and it's a coder plane. We can see, well, as I move it up, it shows us the process that is being completed. Alright, to show it better to you, I'm gonna click on multi here and select all of them and then delete it. Yes. And let's import a file here. Okay, this part imported models, place, and here we have a model that has been imported already. Well, we will talk about importing files later. Okay, so let me select this file here. It's a little bit heavy, so let it load. Yes. Well, I'm gonna move it a little bit to place it on the train, just like that. We can use the landscapes tools as well to do it. Alright, as I change the landscape, our model goes down as well. So I should select it and lock it here. And then after that, I'm gonna change the landscape here and brush size very well to make our train lower so that our model is set now. Now I want it to touch the edges of this model with the landscape. Well, you will get to know with this part later when I will explain importing file. Alright, after that, go to the utilities here and place and then clip plane. Alright, and you can show the project code. As you move it up, the project will be completed more. And we have the pool here, and you can analyze the project very well, just like that. You can check this very good. And as you can see, you're able to watch the ceilings, the roofs very well. So that's it for use of clip plane. Okay, we have some options here. For example, layers. You can choose which layer that you want to use clip plane for. Okay, so I'm gonna add this model to layer 2. Okay, so I'm gonna select it here and choose layer 2, select layer 2, that's it. And after that, I'm gonna go to layer 1, and when I click on clip plane again, so let me go to it, clip plane, that's it. You can choose layer 1, and here what to clip, it is layer 2, and outline, turn it off. We chose layer 1 for what to clip, and as you can see, since our project is in layer 2, you know, it doesn't cut anything. As you can see, it doesn't clip anything. Hence, you're able to make an exception for each layer that you like. Alright, it's so technical, and if you turn the outline on, okay, and we changed its color to red. Yes, when you turn it on, the red line should be appeared now. Okay, let me check this out. Maybe something is going wrong. Okay, and yes, it's because of its thickness, which is 0 here. I'm gonna change it to, for example, 1/10. Yes, it should be alright. Okay, in this part, change it to 1/10. That's it. See, we have a red line here. And maybe a little smaller for example 2500th. Yes, and the color is up to you as well. And now you're able to see where it begins to clip. See, just like that. It clips the project just right there, where it is red. If I make it a bigger number, yes, it will be thicker so you can see it better. Just like that. It's amazing. One of the most useful tool that you can use it in your projects. Alright, the next part is grid. As you can see, when you select it here, you can set a grid here. And its options are like if you want it to be in your render or not, it's up to you, or you can change its color as well here. And even you're able to change its scale. You know, grid is very important and useful when you are presenting your project, which scaling in it matters very much. And sometimes maybe you have imported a file from another software to Lumion here, and that software doesn't consider any scaling, and scale doesn't have any meaning in it. And it has many different sizes and dimensions, which are not standard. So you're able to consider this software as your reference. We set 1/10 for our scale here, and as it is locked, so we change its size, but it doesn't change because it is locked. Let me unlock it here, and as you can see, it is changing, and you can set your model according to the scale that you have set before. Well, it only helps you to do your projects. It is not necessary. And in this part, you can turn it on, and when you click on photo, when you want to render your project, your model, the grid will show up again in your rendering as you turned it on before. Well, compared to the previous tools, it's not so useful, but sometimes it will be.